Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. So today I'll be teaching you worksheet number 7, the good camel. T-H-E the G-O-O-D, good, C-A-M-E-L, camel. So who is called the sheep of the desert? Yeah, camel. Very good children. Now let us start. L-O-N-G, long, A-G-O, ago. Long ago. C-A-M-E-L, camel. H-A-D, hat. A-N-T-L-E-R-S, antlers. A-N-D, ant. L-O-N-G, long. T-H-I-C-K, thick. T-A-I-L, tail. So camel had antlers and a long, thick tail. H-E, W-A-S, was. V-E-R-Y, very. P-R-O-U-D, proud of. H-I-M-S-E-L-F, himself. So he was very proud of himself. Who is proud of himself? Camel. Yes, very good. O-N-E, one. D-A-Y, day, one day. H-E, W-E-N-T, went. T-O-2, D-R-I-N-K, drink. A-T, at. N-E-A-R-B-Y, nearby. P-O-N-D, pond. So he went to drink at a nearby pond. D-E-E-R, deer. C-A-M-E, came. T-O-2, D-R-I-N-K, drink. W-A-T-E-R, water. T-O-O-2. So drink came. So deer came to drink water too. H-E, G-R-E-E-T-E-D, greeted. C-A-M-E-L, camel. So deer greeted him. I-M, am. G-O-I-N-G, going. T-O-2, P-A-R-T-Y, party. T-O-N-I-G-H-T, tonight. So I am going to a party tonight. And I-D-O-N'-T, I don't. H-A-V, have. A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G, anything. T-O-2, P-U-T, put. O-N, on. M-Y, my. H-E-A-D, head. I don't have anything to put on my head. S-A-I-D, said. D-E-E-R, dear. S-A-D-L-Y, sadly. So deer said sadly. C-A-N, can. Y-O-U-U, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. L-E-N-D, lent. M-E, me. Y-O-U-R, your. A-N-T-L-E-R-S, antlers. F-O-R, fur. T-O-N-I-G-H-T, tonight. So can you please lend me your antlers tonight? D-E-A-R, dear. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. So dear friend, can you please lend me your antlers for tonight? I-L-L, I will. R-E-T-U-R-N, written. T-H-E-M, them. T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W, tomorrow. W-H-E-N, when. Y-O-U-U, C-O-M-E, come. H-E-R-E, here. T-O-2, D-R-I-N-K, drink. I will return them tomorrow when you come here to drink. C-A-M-E-L, camel. F-E-L-T, felt. B-A-D, bad. F-O-R, for. D-E-E-R, deer. So camel felt very bad for deer. H-E-R, here. T-A-K-E, take. M-Y, my. A-N-T-L-E-R-S, antlers. S-A-I-D, said. C-A-M-E-L, camel. So take my antlers, said camel. H-E, T-O-O-K, took. H-I-S, his. A-N-T-L-E-R-S, antlers. O-F-F, of. A-N-D, and. G-A-V-E, gave. T-H-E-M, them. T-O-2, D-E-E-R, deer. So he took his antlers off and gave them to deer. D-E-E-R, deer. Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y, quickly. T-O-O-K, took. T-H-E, the. A-N-T-L-E-R-S, antlers. A-N-D, and. D-I-S-A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D, disappeared. I-N-T-O, into the. W-O-O-D-S, woods. So deer took antlers and disappeared into the woods. On his way back, D-E-E-R, deer. M-E-T, met. H-O-R-S-E, horse. He told. T-O-L-D, told. H-O-R-S-E, horse, how he had got his antlers. A-N-T-L-E-R-S, antlers. H-O-R-S-E, horse, wanted something too. So horse gave to deer antlers. So horse also wanted something. So horse went to kind-hearted camel and asked for his long thick tail. Camel gave the horse his tail. H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-I-S, his. T-A-I-L, tail. So the next day, camel went to the pond to wait for his friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. He waited and waited, W-A-I-T-E-D, waited, but no one came. Many years have passed since then, and Camel has still not got back his antlers, A-N-T-L-E-R-S, antlers, or his tail. So here antlers is nothing but horns, disappeared, nothing but went away. So based on this you have to say the answers. What was the camel proud of? Yes, camel was proud of his antlers, right? Who came out of the woods and what did he want? Deer came out of the woods and he wanted the antlers. Third, what did camel give to horse? Camel gave the long thick tail. Okay. Next, is it nice to take something from someone and not give it back? Why do you think so? Yes, it is not good. If you are taking also, you should return it back compulsory. Okay. So find the words from the text that mean the same as first one, went away, nothing but disappeared, D-I-S-A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D, disappeared. Second, gentle and caring, nothing but kind-hearted, K-I-N-D, kind, H-E-A-R-T-E-D, kind-hearted. Third, small lake, nothing but pond, P-O-N-D, pond. Grammar, choose the correct words from the box to complete these sentences. Add ed to the words. After every word you have to just add ed, okay. If it is e already it is there, you just add d. First one, Raja helped his parents to clean the house. Helped, H-E-L-P-E-D, helped. Second, Sonia dashed her hair and tied it with a ribbon, nothing but combed, C-O-M-B-E-D, combed. Third, Padma lived in Chennai for 2 years. Now she lives in Mumbai. Here lived, L-I-V-E-D, lived. Fourth, Kiran dashed the strings and made the puppets dance, nothing but pulled, P-U-L-L-E-D, pulled. Fifth, they dashed the clothes neatly and kept them in the cupboard, nothing but folded, F-O-L-D-E-D, folded. Sixth, Andrew dashed the car to the garage as it had no petrol, nothing but pushed, P-U-S-H-E-D, pushed. Next bit, be it, circle the correct words to complete the sentences and write the correct sentences. First one, Rishi dashed quickly, nothing but walked, you have to circle. And dashed the road, crossed. So you have to write in the sentence formation, Rishi walked quickly and crossed the road. Second, he boiled the potatoes and put the pizza in the oven. Okay, he boiled the potatoes and put the pizza in the oven. Next, third, Mohan laughed loudly in class. Then answer is Mohan laughed loudly in class. Fourth, last night we prepared a salad for dinner. So last night we prepared a salad for dinner. Fifth, the waiter poured orange juice into the glass. The waiter poured orange juice into the glass. Sixth, they watched television for an hour and cooked for 2 hours yesterday. Vocabulary. Look at these pictures and complete Varun's family tree with the words in the box. First one is father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father, Varun's father, and here mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. The next, aunt and uncle, U-N-C-L-E, uncle. Then brother and sister, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Next is grandfather and grandmother, G-R-A-N-D, grand, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. The next, G-R-A-N-D, grand, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, grandmother. Next bit, write these nouns under the correct headings. Masculine, feminine and masculine and feminine. Here masculine nothing but male persons. Okay, feminine is nothing but the female, ladies, girls. Okay, here masculine is nothing but it is common for all. Okay, whether it may be girl or boy. So here is ox, king, man, sir, duck, princess, niece, mare, girl, lady, principal, friend, teacher, child, student and singer. The next spelling bit, write the past tense forms of the word. You have to add ed to every word. Okay. So work, worked, bury, buried, cry, cried, close, closed, stroke, stroked, warn, warned, fetch, fetched, fry, fried, laugh, laughed, kick, kicked, marry, married, move, moved. And next, here is the sentence story you have to write. So you can begin like this. One day camel went to the pond to drink water. So deer came out of the jungle looking sad because he was not looking good without a hat to wear a party. So camel felt bad for deer and gave him his antlers. Deer met horse on his way back. Horse wanted something from camel too. So horse met camel at the pond and camel felt bad and gave his friend his long thick tail. So one day the camel came to wait at the pond, but his friends did not return back to the antlers. Okay, this was the story you have to write. So that's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.